Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you updated your phone to iOS 27 public beta, but you don't like it, you want to downgrade back to iOS 26, but you didn't have a data backup, don't worry. I will show you how to downgrade your phone without data loss. Let's get started. The first method is using ReiBoot, which has over 12 years of experience in iOS system recovery. It lets you create a local backup, downgrade your iPhone, and restore your data safely, all in one place. That's why this is the method I recommend. I'll first show you how to downgrade using ReiBoot. You can download it from the link below. After downloading ReiBoot, connect your iPhone to your computer and back up your data here. You can choose where to save the backup. It will do a full iPhone backup locally on your computer with no risk of data leaks. All your photos, contacts, and other data will be included. The backup time depends on your storage size. Once the backup is complete, go back to the home page and start the downgrade process. Here you can choose the available iOS to downgrade. In your case, it will be iOS 26.5 or 0.6. After downloading the official firmware, you can begin the downgrade process. Once your phone is back on the old iOS, go to the data restore page and choose Restore from Computer. Now on your computer, begin restoring the data to your phone. Once the restore is complete, your phone will be restored to its previous state. This time, all your apps, photos, and other data will be restored, and your phone will be downgraded to the version you like. If you want to learn how to downgrade using iTunes or Finder, we'll show you the steps, but please note, we're not responsible for its safety or stability. I'll show you how I did it when I downgraded from iOS 26 to iOS 18. The process is pretty much the same if you're downgrading from iOS 27. First, you need to back up your phone. You can do this on iTunes. Then, visit the ipsw.me website to locate the iOS files you want for your iPhone model. Download the file and wait for the process to complete. After this, return to iTunes or Finder, then hold the Shift key, click on Restore iPhone, and select the IPSW file you downloaded. And confirm the restoration, and your iPhone will downgrade to the version you downloaded. After the downgrade, your phone is back to factory settings. Let's head to the data restore process. If you backed up your data with iCloud, then you can just log into your ID and restore it. If you backed up your data with iTunes while you were using iOS 27 and now your phone is back to iOS 26, some modifications are necessary. If your phone was not detected in iTunes, reconnect it. Hold down the Win plus R keys to open the Run dialog box and type in %user profile %. Then go to Apple Mobile Sync and open the backup folder. The backup we created should be the most recent one based on the last modified time. Inside the folder, scroll down to the bottom and find info. Open it in Notepad. Press Ctrl and F to open the search bar and search for the word product. Not too far down, you'll see the product version. If you downgraded from iOS 27, it should say 27. Change it into the version you downgraded to. Tap Ctrl and S to save the file. Now we can go back to iTunes and start the restore process. We can see that your phone has backed to the old iOS. Click on Restore Backup and select the backup we just modified. iTunes will start the restore process and your iPhone will restart. Once the restore is complete, your phone will be restored to its previous state. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If this helped, like and subscribe for more insightful tips or check out our other videos. See you next time.